what was their behavior in the court. It has been recorded, and what was the behavior of the child father. That was also recorded by the family.
The respondent further submits that the appellant is not permitting the visitation as in accordance with the interim order dated and 1/14/2025.
If it is listed after 4 weeks, I'll be getting ready. We have no objection if the father takes the child there itself.
To go and
I will, my lords. I am ready to go, my lords, but I will file tomorrow because ನಾನು submission ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I'll take instructions.
Otherwise, we'll continue the same.
Yes. Yes, please.
We see ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? She is saying that memo along with the proof of deposit.
ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ
This
ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು.
order was passed.
No, sir.
Release of
50% of the award amount was deposited. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾ, ನಾವು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಗೈ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
Not with MFA 2653 of 24.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅವ್ರ ವಕೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವರ
ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
2653.
Posted and ask respondents
We have examined
one has not earlier is till next hearing date. After 2 weeks.
please.
I have to cut, my lords.
Case of which?
After the judgment, my lords, after 4 months, he died, my lords, due to the injuries.
ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು?
Connected matter ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Non-compliance
non-compliance
of
of office objection regarding product
The parent has not shown all the legal representatives in I3 of ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Take to appear for the
Please. My lord.
181. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕೇಸ್ text to appear for the proposed loss of respond number 1. He is permitted to file wakalat in the registry within 2 weeks.
Please, my lord.
Because it's
Appearing for the petitioner in this case, my lord.
along with the main matter of the matter. Direction, what is this direction? Who is
we ask for one also this is also.
And we have filed of not showing the child.
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್?
The order process during the pendency of the proceedings. During the pendency of the proceedings.
What is the age of the child?
Registration permission code.
Minor ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮಗು ವಯಸ್ಸಷ್ಟು you said you challenge it.
Verified. I don't have that.
Even assuming that $10,000 2015 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ now we have to pay certain amount. 12,000 was awarded to 2015.
Yes, madam.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ madam.
So you also admit you said 15,000 was approved.
My lord, other. Other lord.
I made an application with 25,000. I only got 12,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನೀವು 21 ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
8, 10, 20.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವ? ಫೈನಲ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ I1 of 2021 divorce under section 13(1)(1)(a) and now the petition of the respondent husband.
Whatever order he has paid.
ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲಿಮನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಈ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
It is submitted that respondent has not challenged the infringed decree and decree. Appeal is the present appeal by the wife is only with regard
a bit 8 to P13.
Just to direct the respondent to pay maintenance of this 15,000 per month. The respondent shall pay maintenance of this 15,000 per month. Arrears of maintenance shall be deposited before this court within 4 weeks, and maintenance on or before 5th of each English calendar month. 15,000. ಹಿಂದಿಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿವ 2021 ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್.
Because I have undertake to pay the whatever the school expenditures and everything, because herself voluntarily my lord deprived, and he is alone.
Yeah, not even filed objection since 2021. Yes, please.
Arrears my lord.
Noted order. Notice of the insurance company liability dispense
Now, Milad.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ sometimes.
Since the counsel on record is absent, Milad, the matter was referred to the legal aid. I am appearing the appellant on behalf of legal aid.
ಇವಾಗೇನೋ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಹಿಂದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು 2022
ಹೌದು. Earlier counsel on record not press ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
212 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನೀವು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್
Legal services and now
212 ಅಲ್ಲಿ appeal is admitted for hearing. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 24/9 ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ 24/9 ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ 24 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. appeal is admitted for hearing. Preparation of reports out. Yes, sir. Including part and phone number 1 shall deposit the compulsion. Petitioner is responsible, author is responsible. Consignment details not. ಅಲ್ಲೇನು consignment details not found ಅಂತ
With the
ಬಂದಿದೆ. They
same
are taken only once. They have
Once.
taken notice only once.
2 times it has been taken. They had appeared with the same address in the before the trial court.
He had appeared to an advocate.
Had appeared.
Karnataka. Notice issued to R1 is written consignment details not found ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Of the US court, order any of the US court, order any decree may be passed, my lords.
We had filed a petition for divorce. Husband had filed a petition for divorce before the family court in Bangalore, my lords. There, the court had also a child with ಹೌದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 13 and 44 ಇದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟೇ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೆಟ್.
But the same terms and conditions have to be applied, my lords, because there are several terms and conditions which have been framed there. The same terms and conditions has to be
Same content. Same.
Now family
The decree has to basis, evidence has to be There's not a reciprocating country for you to apply that, take it as it is. Procedure normally is when you have a decree passed a foreign court, you have to file a formal suit here. That will be part of evidence and decree will be passed. And petition independently will be considered.
May I just go a step forward, minutes? It's only on the
Certification in the nodi.
I'm only
Where the reciprocating countries where the foreign judgment
fair
will be
enough.
taken.
Minutes. My only respectful submission here is they are both now both of them have agreed that they are.
We have no difficulty on that, senior counsel. All that we are saying is we will not be
that it can be directly recorded like this.
confirm us, we can't confirm that order. Where is the question procedure for confirming that order? You
Even
will have to make an application for.
section 13 says about conclusion. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
21st, it may kindly be posted, my lords. On that day, in the same case, we will file an application.
ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮೆಮೊ ನೋ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Both counsel seek time to file appropriate petition.
Application, appropriate application.
Appropriate application. 13B becomes petition. Appropriate application slash petition for dissolution of marriage by mutual consent.
21st, it may kindly be called on.
Based on the foreign judgment. List on.
Agbochu. Grateful.
It's an appeal wherein challenging the divorce, my lord, for taking advantage of my illness, has filed that wherein I could not defend it, my lord. Your Lordship, may please look at page number 104. I had skin urticaria. It's
105.
102 and 104, my lord. The photographs of my illness would depict that.
102 is
102 is my marriage certificate. Then my marriage photograph.
photo.
Please look at 104, my lord. That's how serious my condition was. There's swelling in the skin. I would not be able to move, and there'll be continuous itching. Without treatment, I would not be. And I was treated for over 6 months in Nimhans, taking advantage during the same time.
It's in Nimhans.
Please, my lord.
6 months you were in Nimhans.
Please, my lord. I was on treatment, although not admitted. I was under treatment for this. Taking advantage of this, he files.
Not on the ground of mental illness. It was.
It's not mental. This is a secondary illness, my lord. Skin urticaria. It's not that, because there would be something inside that would not be treated, so it comes out in the form of this.
This was since 2018.
Please, my lord. During that time, he takes advantage of it. And
when did you come to know about the decree?
my lord, my lord, I was served on it, but I was not in a position to take any steps because of this illness, my lord. Then subsequently, I filed a criminal miss also, my lord, seeking for maintenance, and that's when he.
Issue notice from the respondent. Issue notice from the respondent. Interim stay of the impugned judgment and decree till next hearing date. List on.
There is a delay of 1 days. I filed 2 more application, one for seeking stay of the judgment and decree, and another is direction to pay maintenance amount.
168 days delay ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಪಾಪ, after the divorce, the lady went into depression. In fact, she is a single lady now. ಮಗು ಇದೆ.
ಮಗು?
She was ಮಗು ಇದೆ, ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. And the child was about 3 months, the father left. And the case was conducted almost for 10 years. Now the child is in the 11th year. During the pendency of the petition, the father was paying maintenance of over 35,000. He was all along in
the petition.
During the pendency of the petition.
He was paying 35,000.
35,000. In fact, they stayed together only for 3 months.
Correct. For the child, any other proceedings are pending?
There is no proceeding.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
A copy upon the trial court advocate who appeared before the
matrimonial cases ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Where
is it sites?
I believe they have filed KVET also.
KVET ಏನು put up
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ KVET put up ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರು KVET ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
That was lapsed.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಆಗಿ ರೀಗೋ
1000 ಈಗಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
I will serve upon him if he comes. Let him. I am taking a chance, that's all.
Currently in United Kingdom, he is residing in India.
He is in UK only, ma'am.
He is in UK.
Right from the day of marriage, he is in UK. They stayed together for 3 months.
1085 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ? serial number
1185.
28. I'm sorry.
168 ದಿವಸ.
168. then ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ KVET ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀಗೋ. The petitioner who filed the MC
trial
petition.
court also they
trial court also he was there.
Respondent. Okay. Simultaneously, lawyer for the appellant is permitted to serve a notice on the counsel who represented the present respondent before the trial court. Based on cases.
ಅಲ್ಲ vacation ಮುಂಚೆ she is finding very difficult to pay the fee also.
I told you for Reliance General Insurance Company, ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Malati TL, Shrimati Malati TL, now it's standing counsel for respond number 2. Is requested to accept notice for respond number 2. Issue notice to respond number 1. I will do the law comment. Please Tom.
In this case, I appeal for the
They have challenged it on what ground?
on the ground quantum and also liability, saying that he was the deceased was a gratuitous passenger in the vehicle in question. But that finding, that is concerned, my lord, there is a clear finding by the trial court on the basis of exhibit P16 and 17. He was traveling in the vehicle as a owner of the Tamarind fruits. Tamarind. He was traveling as a, he was not a gratuitous passenger. That is the finding of the court below. Para 17, your lordships may kindly see. Para 17 of the judgment. The court below has clearly recorded a finding. There is a document to that effect, and in fact, RW1 has admitted Tamarind was there in the vehicle at the relevant point of time.
What was the date of accident?
That is in the year 2011.
Date of the accident was 2011. Why so much delay in filing the claim petition? Claim petition was filed in 2018.
18, but there were till amendment there was no any bar to file the limitation is concerned. There is no such bar, and other side has also not raised that plea before the court below.
He is not here. That is the problem. This is being unauthorized occupant.
Yes, para 17, your lordships may kindly see. Para 17, your lordships may kindly see. Para 17.
Delay?
Delay is concerned, they have not raised such plea, and there was no bar as far as the before the amendment. Para 17 is the finding.
RW1 during the cross examination specifically admitted that Tamarind goods was rightly exist on that day as per the documents, and it didn't discuss further.
And policy is a package policy. And policy is a package policy. Seating capacity is 3. Driver, cleaner, and also the owner of the goods.
Well, 37. ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ considering the fact that claimant number 1 is the widow of the deceased. For the accident of 2015, they have not received any compensation. It is deposited before the...
Yes, my lord, before the MEACT, 50% of the amount along with interest.
Milads, I appear for the appellant, Milads. I'm sorry, there was...
What?
Milads, I appear for the appellant. I'm sorry, Milads, there was some...
balance amount in here. You cannot log in whenever you want.
Milads, I was unable to hear the court. Now am I able to hear, Milads? Milads, this is an appeal, Milads, filed against the Milads, challenging liability, my lords. He was a passenger in a goods vehicle. There was no goods that was carried with him. Hence, my lords, he is a gratuitous passenger. I have taken a specific plea. There is no evidence to show that he was traveling with goods. He was not the owner of goods, my lords. Hence, I suffer no liability.
Case generally there is really or what? So petitioner being the wife. Equally entitled. Mother giving the wife. Yes. Fourth one was mother and the Response number 1 and 2 are jointly on. Response number 1 and 2 are jointly on service. Out of the above composition, petitioner number 1 being the wife of the deceased and petitioner. Okay. Mother value ಏನು ಬರಲಿ correct so tribunal shall resubmit the record after this purpose is over.
That's obliged.
So number 31.
My lords, I have filed.
Harshika is for R2 and R3.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸಾರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ finally 2 weeks time is granted to the needful in respect of respondent number 4 failing which appeal against respondent number 4 shall stand dismissed. Previous case.
So number 31.
31, my lord. First matter I appear for respondent number 2 and 3. Mistake is not served. I'll collect it today itself.
Since with and the other one is
ಹೌದಾ ಅದು ನೋಡು ಇದು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
filing of madam we can't speak over phone.
Just now I have received the appeal copy, my lords. I'll file my objections in